Good morning. Can you hear me? Hello, so we sorry for a delay. Let's start analyzing stocks one by one. I'm going to see Zindal Steel and Power Limited. It looks pretty good. The breakout is almost closer. What is the breakout level? 341.50, 354. So that is quite far. Meanwhile, I'm going to check some other stocks. What about Hindalco? Looks like Hindalco is going to go to 355, 335. Torrent Power, there is not a definite price action pattern with regards to ICICI Bank. I do think we will see a breakout. See here, this is a high. After that, the high is getting lower, low is also getting lower. You should easily see 583. What about Tata Steel? Tata Steel, wow, the breakout is above 824, but once again, this being a stock which is ranging in 800, what I would like is I would like a candle to close somewhere near 825. So if that happens, we can easily take the trade at 826. If this candle goes above 827, it will come back because there is so much uh, for the stock to go and break out from 826. Talking about SBI, I hope you understood with what I was saying. Let me put it in a easier word. 826 is the breakout level right now. If you see a candle which begins from 820 and it crosses 826, you cannot see the candle going as high as 830. It might happen, but the chances are less. What will happen is it will break 826, it will go till 827, it will come back to 824 or 825. So ideally we want the close to be just near about the breakout level, and when the breakout happens, that candle can easily go above 826 and even 830 in matter of 5 minutes. Tata Chemicals, Bharat Forge, Sun TV, Adani. I did not check. Wow, Bank Nifty looks really bearish right now. There's so much gap to fill. SBI, yeah, we can take SBI today. 365. You have gone for it. I don't think so. It's worth it now as a breakout happened. I was checking Tata Steel. Tata Steel, Hindalco looks really good. Let me go to daily chart and do a multi-frame analysis. I think it looks really good. See the high here. In the next 5 minutes, the high was taken down, and now looks like the current candle is just consolidating. So we can wait for the breakout. Torrent Power, ICICI Bank. What about Zindal? It was supposed to break out from where? Now it has gone into a correction zone. Hindalco, Torrent Power, ICICI Bank. Now the momentum will happen slow and steady. What about Tata? Still, now there is a bit of correction going on. It will be good for us to take the trade. CSPI is not going up. I also feel today's market is also a range bound one. I think this is the stock which I gave you for a breakout. I hope you got onto it. If you have, please tell me in the live chat so that I will know about it. The breakout happened really early and it was a good trade. Right now the market price is 478. So we are in 4 rupees profit in JSW still. Have anybody gotten or no? Let me know. I'm just looking at Bharti Airtel. So Bharti Airtel right now not looking good. Sorry, I was checking in daily chart. Also have comments. I do not have comments. Comments. Let me check comments. No, not comments in corporation. Comments area. Comments area. Breakout really did not happen. Forget about it. Let's analyze the stock in the watch list. UPL, not see any pattern. Bharti Airtel looks nice. What about Adani Enterprise? The stock price is too high. It's in thousand. So we need a lot of capital to at least take a decent amount of quantity. But still, there is a correction in the price. Let me check in 15-minute chart. There is not a definite pattern which is transpiring on any time frame. It seems that there is a slow and steady movement throughout the session. It's likely to be a range-bound session. Only JSW Steel has kind of shown willingness to go high or choose a direction, and all other stocks are just going up and down. ICICI Bank again, is it a triangle pattern? But I am not really sure that I am going to take that trade because there are these three huge bearish candles along with high volume activity, and I don't think so. Just because there is a small bullish candle, we should take the trade. I'm just trying to show you the way I choose stocks during live market. I do have a list of stocks which I am banking on for them to break out, which I show in my video every single evening. You can check that out and you will know about it. Apart from that, I also add other stocks. So if I find anything in those stocks during live market, I prefer to take that trade over the pre-market analysis. SBI is going up, but the target does not look too promising. I need a decent target to take a trade. Yeah, JSW still consolidation. There is this huge number. This worries me. The volume activity, though this volume activity also contain buying because there is a wick in the bottom end. So 478.25. I will ideally like JSW still to close just in and around 48.10 at 9:35, and after that we should easily see 2 rupees increase. I think that is what is happening here. 1 rupee of stop loss and target. Let me see if I can find a bigger target. I cannot see anything because JSW Steel is trading at its lifetime high. So we do not have any reference point. That is consolidating one more time. What about Adani Enterprise, Tata Chemicals, Hindalco? See now, the bank stocks are taking support on this gap. So this is where it is taking support. So we might see a reversal. Let me see, I can find good opportunity in banking stocks. I do have SBI. I do not see any apparent price action transpiring. This is the only thing, or only one stock which I see looks promising in terms of a price action pattern. Others are just going back and forth. It's 9:35 and the current market price is 90. Was this one Single Steel? Okay. I was checking JSW Steel and Single Steel. What was I was checking out? Okay, JSW. The breakout happened. Oh, target is achieved. Trail the stop loss now. Trail the stop loss to 479.30 and enjoy the ride. 480. You can choose to trail the stop loss at 480 as well because price is going to come down. We do not have any reference point. It's totally up to you what you want to do. You can close out the position right now or trail the stop loss somewhere around 479.95. Let me know what you have decided in the live chat. 353, 480.90, 481. Now you can trail the stop loss to 480. JSW Steel 481.30, 480.50. Trail the stop loss to that level. So we have more than 2 rupees of profit. We have on that one 480.90. 480.55, 480.60. You can lower the stop loss to 480 if you want to go for even more profit. I do see that there is a lot of bullish momentum here. There is no reference level, so that we do not have anything to relate. I think 480 looks like a strong resistance support level right now. If it is taken down, we might see a reversal or correction in the price. So I would advise you to keep the stop loss to 479.95, 5 pips below 480, and depending upon the how price goes up, we can trail the stop loss higher. 481.05. I am kind of expecting it to go to 485, 490. It's began from 471. So maybe 20 rupees is the average session range in JSW steel. That's on average day. Let me see it in daily chart. It's around 10 rupees in a extremely languid session. On an average one, it goes around 15 rupees. This is a breakout, so 20 rupees should be a good level. 485 to 490 looks like a good level to trade. See how price is finding it difficult to go beyond 481. This will be a make and break situation. If it goes above 481.50 and 482, we can easily see 2 to 3 rupees of increase in the stock price in matter of 5 minutes. Now it is coming down. Let's see what happens. 480.80. Meanwhile, I'm going to see some other stocks and check it out. Tata Motors look really up. Good. There is a huge gap here, 301. You can take the trade at Tata Motors at 303.75 and keep the target at 302. Mind you, the momentum can be really slower, so you have to sweat a lot. If you are prepared for that, then go for it. If you have taken the trade in JSW Steel, then you can just ride the wave. Do not take too many trades at once. I do not recommend you to trade two trades at once. For example, if I have an order executed in JSW Steel and also in Tata Motors at the same time, so it will be difficult for me to track. And in the process, I might make a mistake which can prevent me from earning a higher profit. So if you have one order executed and currently running, just go with that, close that order, then look for other opportunities. As we have earned a decent amount of profit in JSW still, 481.25. I need it to go above 481.50. That's the level. Otherwise, it might just fall down to 480, 481.05. What is happening? 481.20. I won't be giving you any more calls. I think this is fine in JSW still. There's no use of forcing yourself just to take another trade. We are in profit in JSW still. 481.45, yeah, 50. That's great. Let's see where the price goes from 481.50. We are at 941 in the clock. 481 once again. It is really playing with your mind. But we are not concerned with that, as we have already profit and we have a stop loss, we have trail stop loss way above our target. Whatever happens now, it's just a bonus. Take it like that. Again, 481.05. Tata Chemicals, I'm not sure about Tata Chemicals. Target might be 5 rupees, but that is too low for a stock which is ranging at 750. I was checking which one. Tata Motors, sorry. Tata Motors. See, this is an ideal case of lower lows and lower highs. But the problem with this is we need some kind of consolidation which will form a support level. And if we sell below that, the momentum will be really fast. If we just go with a random entry level somewhere like here, we might be taking a huge risk. Price might reverse as well. I would like one more candle to form a support level and then we can take a trade. Let me go to JSW still. Again, it is hovering around 481. It is trying hard to break the 481 barrier. What about Torrent Power, SBI? I cannot see anything. Tata Motors. Going to 15-minute chart. I do not see any opportunities as well. I was checking Jindal Steel. I told you the breakout happened in Jindal Steel as well. This is a really good opportunity. When you see a bullish or a bearish momentum, for example, take bullish momentum in Jindal Steel. Stock was making higher highs, higher lows. The volume activity was increasing as well, and after that we find a bearish candle. The range is smaller in comparison to its bullish counterpart, and at the same time the volume activity is pretty low as well. What does this imply? This says to us that this is just a correction, maybe as a result of outstanding buyers booking profit. We can take the trade right here if we are an aggressive one or wait for a breakout. Both the ways the breakout happened and the stock price is way beyond 350. It is at 352. 482.70, I told you. Now what you will do? Do you want to trail the stop loss? Let me know in the live chat. 482.70. So we can trail the stop loss to 481.95. What do you say? Where we should place the trailing stop loss, as we do not have a reference level. Let me go to 1-minute chart and see if I can find anything. This is a good level, 481. Go with 481.95. 483.20. We are in how much profit? 5 rupees. All more than 5 rupees of profit. That's great. On a range bound day where there are difficulties finding a workable price action pattern or tradable price action pattern, we have gotten onto JSW Steel with ease. And I followed a simple strategy. There was nothing new about it. Just trying to refine the strategy, and most importantly, you should be able to apply it in live market. It's not just about knowing a strategy and then back testing it, but it's different proposition. when you are analyzing during live market and your order gets executed and you start getting different kind of thoughts in your mind. You might think, what happens if I lose money? So that is different, and when you can be firm about your analysis that no, I am confident that this particular trade will go to that particular level, then you will start to feel at ease. You won't get hyper, or you won't start palpitating. 8 483 trail it to 482 481.482.9 481.90, sorry. I'll be closing the stream at 10 o'clock. I have some other work to do. 482. See, quickly. It is going really fast. 482.85. I gave you the level right here. 483. I really think that this can go really well. Looking at the volume activity, just look at sheer volume activity. The volume activity, I won't say has increased with time, but it is almost at the same level, which gives you the indication that there are buyers who are willing to take the stock price even higher. If the volume activity was low like this, then we should have square up our position. Right now, see the volume activity for this bearish candle. It is extremely high. You have to understand that the volume activity contains buying as well, because the formation of the candle has wick. See now, quickly turn into a bullish one. This is because of this. Three extremely high volume activity observed consecutively, sorry. 484. Now trail the stop loss to 483.95. No, 482.95. So which means we are in more than 5 rupees of profit. So even if our trailing stop loss get trigger, we are going to take 5 into 5 amount of quantity. So you have taken 1000 quantity, then your profit should be 5000. So we are locked. That's the benefit of trailing stop loss. It's a great way, and it makes you relax a bit. 484.90. I won't trail it to 483.95. I want it to go at 484. 485, sorry. 484. Again, decent volume activity. It's 950. So we can see a decent volume activity once again. 485.25. Do not trail to 483.95. Wait for 485. 484.35. Let me check. Single steel. Just see how this is a triangle pattern. Let me check Tata Motors. I was checking it out. As I told you, the reversal might be just around the corner. It's not fruitful to take the trade in the middle of a trend. 484. Let me take you through all the stocks before I close the trend. Here I cannot find any good opportunities in Tata Motors. So here the volume activity is pretty low as well. So this doesn't make sense. At any moment your stop loss can get triggered. So it's better to avoid this particular price action. UPL going strong as well. This is a good opportunity. Again, inside bar, low volume activity, this bullish candle with high volume activity, the range is also pretty big as well. Take the trade in the middle of the bearish candle or just high above the high, which could be 639 and maybe a target of 3 to 4 rupees, which was easily achieved next 5 minutes. Got to take it one step further. 484.65. Let me see whether our trailing stop loss gets triggered before 10 o'clock or not. 485 should be at 484.90. Go above 485. That's the advantage when you analyze a stock or do technical analysis not just by looking at the formation of the candle but look at the corresponding volume activity as well. Here the volume activity is pretty strong. I cannot see any bearish indication that the selling is just around the corner. 484.85. Still it is going really well. I would really like this volume activity to be around this level. We still have 2 more minutes to go before this candle. This is the 5 minute candle. So far 9:55. Yeah, volume activity is increasing. As you can see, it's almost at par. There are still 6 minutes remaining at 10 for 10 o'clock. 485. Now trailing to 483.95. This is really good. We did a simple analysis. We did not try to add multiple indicators or multiple complicated indicators. One more minute is remaining for this candle to get finished. 9:54. Eight, 484, not 9:54. 484.50. 484.75. The volume activity was really good. Looks like bears are coming in. No, they are. I think our trailing stop loss will get hit. 483.95. Let me analyze the industry where it is going. 355. Yeah, our trailing stop loss got hit. So I'm going to end the stream right now because I do not want you to take another trade. This was a multi-bagger trade. I will see you tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Monday. Tomorrow is Good Friday, which is a trading holiday as well. I hope you took the trade in JSW still. Let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video and enjoy your day.